everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize negative x squared plus 5x minus 6. Do take note that I am going to rewrite this as I'm going to take out the common factor negative 1 and notice what will happen. My x squared from negative will become positive. My positive 5x will become negative. My negative 6 will become positive. Because negative times positive will give me negative. Negative times negative will give me back my positive 5x. Negative times positive will give me back my negative 6. So we are all okay. We are good. They are equivalent. And so my answer will always have the negative outside. But now is the time for us to factorize the brackets inside. You will see me writing this down. And when I use the cross chart to help me, x squared and positive 6. And my 5x is negative 5x. This is pretty straightforward. X times x will give me my x squared. As for 6, 1 times 6, 2 times 3, I must be able to choose the one that when I add or minus, it gives me a negative 5, and at the same time, when I multiply them, it gives me back my positive 6. So this is what Mr. Tan is thinking. Mr. Tan thinks that if I have a negative 2x and a negative 3x, this one will give me my negative 5. And if I have a negative 2 multiplied by negative 3, they do give me back my positive 6. Negative 2 times negative 3 does give me back my positive 6. So this has to be the factors such that when I do my cross chart, it fits in nicely. Yeah? And so, I have successfully gotten my answer here. X and negative 2, x and negative 3. And we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.